Hello, good evening.
Good evening. We have a table booked.
Super. What was the name?
The name is Rob.
Rob, lovely.
Yep.
Table for two?
Table for two, thank you.
Would you like to come this way?
Yep.
This table here?
Oh, thank you very much.
A couple of menus for you to look at.
Oh,
Thank
lovely,
you.
thank you.
Love is the force of nature. However much we may want to, we cannot command, demand, or take away love any more than we can command the moon, stars, wind and rain to come and go according to our whims. We may have some limited ability to change the weather, but we do so at the risk of upsetting an ecological balance we don't fully understand. Similarly, we can stage a seduction or mount a courtship, but the result is more likely to be infatuation or two illusions dancing together than love. Love is bigger than you are. You can invite love, but you cannot dictate how, when, where love expresses itself. You can choose to surrender to love, or not, but in the end, love strikes like lightning, unpredictable, irrefutable. You can even find yourself loving people you don't like at all. Love does not come with conditions, stipulations, or codes. Like the sun, love radiates independently of your fears and desires.